Ilish for a Bengali is an emotion and a pride. Rather than just a fish, it's one of the most popular fish known to Bengalis. The Ilish is also known as Hilsa. In today's video, we are doing an Ilish festival where we will be showing you three different classic recipes of Ilish.
After gently washing the fish, marinate the fish with salt, turmeric powder, and mustard oil. Keep the marination for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Ensure to bring the oil to smoking hot before frying the fish. For Ilish Mas Bhaja, we do not add any other masala specifically other than the salt and turmeric so that the flavor and the taste of the fish really stands out. Traditionally, Ilish Mas Bhaja is had along with some steamed rice and with the oil which is used for frying the Ilish and with some green chilies and onions. Mustard oil should be added based on one's taste buds. Massage the fish in the paste very well and keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Steam the fish on low heat for 12 to 15 minutes. At this stage, you may add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil for 8 to 10 minutes so that the potatoes are cooked up to 80%.
We have done this Ilish festival in association with Top Serve. They have a huge variety of different kind of fish and meats which are delivered across Bangalore. Check out their website for more offers and product details. Link given in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then it would be great if you can subscribe to our channel because that would encourage us a bit more.